So hello everyone, we will talk about today's LeetCode problem. Problem of the day: subsequence, smallest subsequence of distinct character. There will be given a big string. You have to find a smallest subsequence, not a substring, a smallest subsequence, okay, which contain all the unique characters which are present in the string, and it should be smallest in lexicographical manner, right? Okay, hope you get it. So lexicographical means a comes first. If there are various subsequence, let's say E, C and B, then the three possible ways of ECB are C, uh, B, A, B, sorry, E, then B, E, C, right? So there will be 2 to the power 3 times 2 to the power 3 8 possible ways we can arrange this, but the answer will be like C, B, E. This is the ascending order uh, placed characters, right? Like this way only, we lexicographical manner. Okay, I have to give the answer. I have to find it and give the answer in lexicographically uh, smallest subsequence, right? So how we can do it? So we can use the monotonic stack. We can also use queue, but we have to have to access of the last element or whatever we have inserted in the uh, variable. Like if I have stored in this, we have to store in increasing format, right? Like A first, then B, then C, in the increasing order. In that way I have to use the latest inserted element. Seeing this, we have a stack, we have stack property, right, to access the last element. So that's why it can be useful here. And we will, since the every element in the stack will be in increasing order, so it's a monotonic stack then. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to just maintain a stack. We will on iteration, we will simply insert into the stack. Like when there will be a C, then I will stack, then I will push into it, right? Then when there will be B, either I have two options: either I can just ignore B, or I can insert it, but before inserting B I have to delete the C, right? So let's talk about the conditions, on what ground we have to insert the B. If there will be the scenarios, right, maybe there will be the topmost element of this stack will be smaller than the present element. Let's say here only I have inserted into the stack, right, C character. Now the next element is B, so there will be B, but the B is smaller than C. And what I have to do, I have to just insert the element which is greater than C, right? So what I can do here is that, seeing the scenario, I can delete B if and only if B is already present in the stack, right? If B is already B, if B will already present in the stack, then I won't have to store B, right? Because we have to store only unique elements, we have to give output in unique elements only in increasing format. So if B will already be present, then I will ignore B. If B won't be present, then what I have to do, I have to delete C. But suppose there will be a case, let's say this there is only one occurrence of C, and that is on the, that is the first element only. Then what will I do? So in that condition I have also to check the occurrences of the elements, right? uh, let's say key C, the occurrence of C is only 1. I will find the occurrence, I will store somewhere, we can use the hash map, right? Then I will check whether the occurrence of C presently is greater than 1 or not, or present is greater than 0 or not. If it will be greater than 0, that means there are C occurrences in later on. Okay, what I mean to say, there will be the C forward, so I can delete it because afterwards I will face the C later on. Okay, so what I can do, I can just then delete the C and I will insert the B element. So there will be the two condition ki if first condition is that like um, stack must not be empty. Also there will be other conditions, stack must not be empty in between cases, otherwise it will give some inaccessible elements, right? So what we have to keep in mind, we will insert the elements in lexicographically manner, increasing order. The below element must be smaller and the above of it must be greater than the below element. And if the element at any point be, going to be inserted is smaller than the topmost element, then I will check it whether the element going to be inserted is already present or not. If it is already present, I will ignore that element. Or if let's say it is not present inside the stack, then the topmost stack will be deleted or not will be defined by the condition that whether the occurrences of that topmost stack element is still there or not. If it is occurrence is greater than 0, that means I can remove that topmost element. Or if its occurrence is not, then I have to just insert that element above it only. Let's take an example. I will dry run it. I will dry run the code also. You will get a better understanding in it. Okay, so what I am going to, what there will be in it, there will need a stack, okay, which I have already made it. Okay, and there will be a need of mapping. So let's make a map over here. How many element of C is here? Let's see. 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 occurrences of B, 4 occurrences of B, right? Occurrences of A, there are 10 occurrences of A. Okay, now there is another thing I need. Let's say it is a map. Okay, I have to check in between whether the element is already inserted or not. Okay, that also I have to check. So I will use set. Let's see, this is set, unordered set of characters. Okay, then what else I need? Let's see, let's the process go, I will remember. Okay, so starting from 1, let's say 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and 19. Alright, first time I is equals to 0. If I is equals to 0 and stack is empty, yes, I will just directly insert it. Okay, let's make another stack. So I is equals to 0, stack is empty, yes, stack is empty, I will just push it inside it. Okay, I will mark it as visited, or I have already included it, so I will insert it into the set part, right? So I will just do it C, and also I will just decrease the frequency of mapping, because the map will show how many still frequency of that character is present in the right hand side. Alright, so I will just decrease it by making it 5. Now I is equals to 1 B. So B is smaller than C, right? So what can I do? Let's see. The first condition is either is B is already present in the stack or not. See, whenever I met the condition, okay, stack dot top is greater than current element, then I will check first is it is present or not. Is element is present in stack. First I will check. If it will be present, then I will simply continue. Okay. Second thing, let's say if it is not present, then what I will do, I will then remove the elements, right? I will then pop the elements, but the condition will be like the MP of that stack topmost element must have greater than 0 frequency. That means the C will come forward. Okay, we will meet it later on. That's why. Okay, and also the stack topmost element, that is definitely must be greater than the s of I character, means present character or current element. Then what I will do, I will simply pop. Okay, so let's see. Now we have to include B. So B is smaller than C. Okay, the current element, which is B, is smaller than the stack cutoff. So what I can do, check whether the element is present in a stack or not. It is, if B is B present, no, I don't think so. So what I will do, I will just pop it, right? Because the condition does met MP of stack cutoff, that is C, it is greater than 0, that is 5. So yes, it is greater than 5, and also I have to make sure that on each iteration I have to just decrease 5, it decreases its frequency, right? So it will be 3 now. Now stack top, that is the current element is B, and stack top most element is C, and its frequency is greater than 0, that is 5. Yes, and stack top is greater than the current. Yes, of course C is greater than B. So what I will do, I will just pop it. I will just pop, and at last I will insert it. Okay, pop and then insert the element, current element. Okay, I will insert the current element. Alright, now A is smaller than B. Okay, A is smaller than B, then what can I do? Is A is already in stack? No. Then frequency of B is greater than 0. Yes. So what I have to do, I have to just pop it, and I have to make A. Alright, also if I am popping it, right, so what I have to do, I have to just remove it also, C, right? So there was C first and it was deleted, then I have removed from the set, then B was there, then I have deleted, then A, right? Currently it is A, so yes, A. Now the next element is still A. Okay, let's see. A, if A is greater than A, no, it's not, right? Then I will see the condition. Is A is already present in stack? Yes, it is already present in stack, and I have to continue, right? Okay, no, I have to also decrease its frequency, right? First I will decrease its frequency. Okay, now first it was 10, then we came on this one because it was already present in a stack. First I have to decrease its frequency, right? First and foremost. Okay, now C, I am currently on C. I will decrease its frequency first. Okay, now it will be 4. Okay, now is C is greater than A? Yes, it is. Then simply I will insert into the stack. Alright, C is inserted into the stack. Okay, now I will insert in the set also, right? Then A. A. So A is smaller than C. Okay, if it is smaller than C, check whether it is already present in stack or not. It is present. Okay, I will continue then. I will decrease its frequency and then continue, right? So its frequency will be 7, right? Then now I am on B, right? Yes, I am on B. So I am on B. I am on B. First I will decrease its frequency. It will be 2 now. Then I will try to store it, but we will see that B is smaller than C, right? Of course it is. Then we will check these conditions. Is B is already present in stack? No. Then I have to what? We will see the frequencies on the rightmost side, whether it is present or not. C is present or not? Yes. We will see further because its frequency is 4. A is present, so I will pop C and I will remove from C this also. I will insert C. I will insert B. At the moment I will insert B, I will also mark it as inset, right? Okay, now it is AB. Now the next element is C. Next element is C. We are on I7, right? Sorry, I am not updating this one. We are on on 7. So I will try to insert into the stack. Since C is greater than B, so we will simply insert into it, and I will also mark it in set C. And also first and foremost work was, again I have forgotten, it will be 3 now, right? 3, right? 1 2 3, yes. Okay, so now we are on 8. All right, now we are on 8. So it is A. So A is smaller than C, right? So first and foremost we will check it is already present in stack. Yes, it is already present, so we will simply continue. All right, we will continue. Then again it will be A. We are on 9th index. Okay, we are on 9th index. We will first mark it as 6 now. Now we will try to insert. Since A is smaller than C, we cannot insert. We will check these conditions. Is A already present in stack? Yes, it is already present in stack. Then we will continue. Okay, now it will be 10. Now we are on 10. We are on C. We will decrease the frequency of C as 2. Now when this C will try to insert in C, but C is not greater than C, right? So again we will see, is C is all present in stack? Yes, it is present in stack, so we will have to continue. Then we will continue. That means we will be on 11th index. Now on the 11th index, again there will be the C. We will first decrement C. It will be now 1 only, and the moment the C try to get inserted into the stack, we will see that C is not greater than C. It is equal to C. So again it is C is present in the stack. Yes, so we will continue again. Now it will be 12. So we are on 12, that is A. Again we will decrease it. It will be 5 now. Now A is smaller than C. We will check the condition. A is already present in stack, so we will continue. It will be now 13. On 13th index, A, decrease the frequency of A. It will be 4. Now again A is smaller than C. A is also present in stack, so we will continue. It will be now 14. Now it will be 14. Again C. We will decrease the frequency of C. Now it will be 0. Now C is not greater than C. Is it present in stack? Yes, it is present in stack, so it will be now 15. Okay, now we are on 15th index. A, decrease the frequency of A. Now it will be 3. Okay, now it will be 3. A is smaller than C, so A is already present in stack. Yes, then continue. 16. Now we are on B. We will decrease the frequency of B to 1. Now B is smaller than C. Yes, of course it is. So let's check. It is already in stack. Yes, it is already in stack. CP. already in stack, so we'll continue. How we are checking it is already in stack? By seeing the set, right? So yes, now we will 17 on 17. Now we are on 17. A, decrease the frequency of A to 2. A is smaller than C. Yes, let's check the conditions. Is it already present in stack? Yes, and we have to continue. 18. B, decrease the frequency of B. Now it is 0. Right, so now it is 0. Let's see. I think the frequency of A somewhere I just missed, because it should be now 1 and then it will become next time 0 again. The A B cannot be happen, so we will continue, and the moment we continue with 19, we will be on 19 condition, index 19, so the 1 will becomes 0, and because 1 will become 0 when we will try to insert A, but it is smaller and it is already present in stack according to condition 1, so we will continue. And in this way, in a stack there will be like A, B and C. Then what we will do, we will simply pop the element into the string, then it will be like C, B, A. We will reverse the string A, B, C, and this is the answer. Okay, now let's check out the code. So let's see, here I am storing the frequency, right, in map. Okay, this was the first step. Now I am iterating over the string. The moment I iterate, I first decrease the frequency, as I was doing here. I was just decreasing the frequency the moment I get I on the first element, right? If it is first element, I will simply push it into the stack. I will mark it as it is present inside the stack. Okay, and then I will continue. And if the index will be greater than 0, that is 1, 2 or something, when index is greater than 0, we will first see if it is the current element, this is the current element, it is greater than stack top or not, and it shouldn't also be present in the is present set. Okay, because it should be unique, right? So if these two conditions met, I will insert it into the stack. That means I have not till now I have not encountered with the element s of I, and it is also greater than the topmost element of the stack. So I will simply push it into the stack. I will mark it as visited or something it is present in the set, and I will then continue. And then if there will be the condition, as we have already seen here, the topmost element is greater than the incoming element, then what we will see, that the incoming element is already present in set or not. If it is already present in set, then I will just continue, okay, now to the next element. If it is not present, the incoming element is not present, then I will try to pop the topmost element until the topmost element becomes smaller than the incoming element. So seeing the condition that the element going to be popped has the frequency greater than 0, okay, so I will continue popped by using while loop. Then at last I will insert it, and also I will insert into the set. Now my stack will be ready till here my stack is ready. So simply what I will do, I will just make a variable string answer. I will just pop those elements and add into the string. At last I will reverse it and I will return the answer. This was the simple code. Thank you.